Hi guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your color palette. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you log in is go to Divi Theme Settings and then click on Theme Options. And then it says Color Picker's Default Palette. So right here we can change up the colors. So now that we got our colors picked, we're just going to scroll down and click Save Changes. Now to show you guys how it looks, I'm just going to create a quick page. So just to give you guys an example, I'm going to be going on text. Let's say the text color. This is now your default color. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.